Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little silly right now because I have just my brows, foundation, concealer, and powder on, and that is because today we are doing a Colourpop haul and first impressions. So I ordered a bunch of things from Colourpop and I haven't opened my package yet. I've been waiting until I got a chance to film this video. Before we get into the video, I have to give a shout out to one of you beautiful people. And today's shout out goes to Ali Moon 1219. Thank you so much for showing me love, girl. If you guys would like a shout out, just show me love on Instagram. Also, I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway as soon as I get to 11,000 followers on Instagram, and then I will be doing a second giveaway as soon as I reach 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you guys are interested, if you like my content, please make sure you're following me. Make sure you subscribe right now, like this video, follow me, and there will be giveaways to come. And that's just the start. I will be doing lots more giveaways in the future. I love giving back to you guys just to show you how much I appreciate you. Now, I'm so sorry, the longest intro ever. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I have this Colourpop package right here. We're gonna break into this here. I love Colourpop, you guys. This is not my first rodeo with them. I order so much from Colourpop. Kathleen Lights is probably my favorite YouTuber of all time, and she always talks about them. She did a video, I'll actually link her video down below, of all of her favorite products currently from Colourpop. So as soon as she did that, I went and I ordered a bunch of things. Oh my gosh, did they just send me a free pressed shadow? I didn't order this. Did I order this? Sorry, we're late. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice Colourpop. Apparently they took a long time for shipping. Colourpop usually does, so keep that in mind. I guess they took a long time and they felt bad, so they sent me a shout. How sweet is that? You guys, this company, they pop out new products like there's no tomorrow. They're launching new things every week. Their stuff is so cheap, it's ridiculous. It's like, how are you this cheap, this good quality, and this cute? Oh my god. This is beautiful. It's called Flower Boy. They just sent me, okay, I'm definitely using that today. So I ordered 2 brushes. This is the F5 brush. 5 is the small fluff brush. And I guess Kathleen Lights likes to use this as a highlighting brush, which is perfect because I ordered a lot of highlighters. I also ordered the E4 brush, which is the small shader brush. I feel like you can never have enough of these for packing shimmer on the lid. They're just great. I just remembered that I ordered a concealer, and I already did my concealer. We'll have to try out the Colourpop concealer in my next video. I can't believe I did that. I forgot about what I ordered. It was like a while ago that I ordered all of this. So Kathleen was talking about this bronzer. So you know what I did? I ordered this bronzer and it is called Private Party. The bronzer just fits into the pen like this. But the bummer with that is it doesn't say the name of the product on there once you like put it in there, but whatever. I also ordered this Here Kitty Kitty pressed highlight. This is the Here Kitty Kitty once I put it in the pan, and let me swatch that one as well. Okay. That's not like a good swatch. I am so excited for this next item that I ordered, and this is called, actually no it's not, Colourpop. You're confusing me with your packaging, okay? It says I like your face on the front, which I love this. I like your face. And then on the back it says give me more, and then it has the names of the shades. I think it's called Give Me More. I think that's actually what it's called. This highlighting palette is stunning. This looks like an ABH Glow Kit. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna insert some swatches. Next items that I got are the Supernova shadows, and these are like these really beautiful liquid shadows that are like sparkly and glittery. Apparently they're kind of like a dupe for the Stila metal shadows. Is that what whatever the Stila ones are called? I have one of the Stila ones and I love it. It's so beautiful. So these are, I think, like $6 or something, like super affordable. And then I just got 3 different lip liners. Not that exciting. I got BFF. I already have that one. It's probably, if you're going to get any lip liner from Colourpop, I would recommend BFF because it is a really good universal shade that goes with a lot of different lipsticks. So I got BFF 3 because it's quite a bit darker and I like to do a darker lip. And then I got Taurus. Yeah, that's all I got. I mean, I'm really excited to dive into all of these and try them out. I'm going to dip into this here, and this is a random Morphe brush that the numbers actually wiped off. I'm going to just dip in here. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. This is pigmented too. You guys know what I should do before I do my eyes. The smart thing to do would be to bake some powder under my eyes. That way, as soon as there's fallout, we sweep that fallout away. Because you guys know I always do my eyes first if I'm doing a look, but I wanted to save some time. So this is what we're gonna look like. It's a little smaller of a brush than I would normally go for, but it was like one of my cleaner brushes. We don't have time to wash brushes at the moment, so. This is really pretty. We're not going for like a super detailed look. We're just kind of testing out to see how these new products perform. Okay, so we have this super cute peachy moment happening in the crease, but my shirt is a little bit more of like a dustier pink color, so I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop palette, which I freaking love this palette. It's a My Little Pony. It's so cute. It's just like everything. And I'm gonna mix this pink and this pink here. We're gonna just mix this and just hit that outer corner. Should I do Moonlit or should I do Woah? I think I'm gonna do Moonlit. It's more of like a purple tone, and I know my shirt is like a pink, a dusty pink if you will, but I think this purple will go better. Okay, so this is what the applicator looks like, kind of like a lip gloss applicator. So I'm gonna actually just go straight onto my eye, and then I'm gonna use this little shader brush if I need to. Are you guys seeing this? I'm just trying to put this all over the lid and just blend it out. I think we need like a darker purple. This palette doesn't have a dark purple, so I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna dip into my Sephora Pro palette. You guys can see this shade kind of had exploded when I got it in the mail, but this purple here I think will kind of look really bomb with this look. So let's do some Sephora Pro. This is the electric palette. That's helping a lot. See, that purple is making a difference. This is cute. A little more purpley than I was expecting, but I'm not mad at it. I am glad I did the powder because you can see there's a little bit of fallout. I'm just gonna sweep that fallout away. I really think I like this a lot. I don't think it's exactly like the Stila, but the effect is very similar for the price. Thumbs up. I do need to give it like a wear test though. So I'm going to be trying out some new lashes today. I just got these, and these are the Tarte lashes in the style Flirt. So I just applied these lashes, and these were not easy lashes to apply. The band is very thick. Pro tip, if you guys are beginners on applying lashes, just get the Ardell Wispies or the lashes from the drugstore that have the really thin bands, because those are super easy to apply. These are looking a little bit wanky. You guys, I actually have to go to a nail appointment, My nails, you can see, they're super grown out. These are the same nails I've had in like the past 3 videos. They've been like holding in there. I don't have a broken nail or anything. So I'm about to leave. Yes, I'm going to leave looking like this and head to my nail appointment. But I am so determined to like finish this look on camera for you guys. So I'm not going to do anything else. I'm going to go grab a coffee, get my nails done, and then I'll be back with some cute nails. And then we will complete this first impressions and this look, and I'll be able to give you guys a little bit of a wear test on this glitter because it's already looking a little bit chunky. Hey guys, sorry if the lighting is a little bit different now and my face is looking kind of crusty. Went and got my nails done. Now they totally do not match the vibe. Oh my god. I'm regretting my color choice. I'm contemplating my existence. It's not that serious, but I'm not crazy about this nail color. As you guys can tell, 2 hours later, I wanted to show you guys. Can I zoom in even more? Oh, maybe that's too close. Is that too close? I have fallout. I wanted to show you guys. Like, that was not like that when I left. So throughout the day, it looks like this freaking shadow will crumble off your face a little bit. It's still really pretty, but it cracked a lot. Another layer of this stuff, because it just sort of cracked. And my Stila doesn't do that. So I'm a little bummed out. It looks good now. It's pretty. I mean, it was so cheap. I'm not completely mad at it. I just wish that it wouldn't have cracked like that. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to buff this shade called Flower Boy. I wouldn't typically use this brush for this, but you do what you gotta do when your brushes are dirty. I'm going to dip back into the Sephora Pro palette and use that purple shade that I used up here in the outer corner. Same brush because all our other brush is dirty. So just apply that purple shade. We're gonna move on to bronzer now. So I'm gonna be dipping into that bronzer called Private Party. This one here. I'm excited to try this. I hope it's not too warm. And I'm gonna be using my usual Morphe M523 brush. Ah! Use a light hand, you guys. What is going on? You know, when in doubt, just add more. I don't hate it, but it is a little bit too warm for my complexion. Let's just bake the cheeks. Okay, now the fun part. This is what I came here for, highlighting the face. So we have a few different options. I'm gonna mix a whole bunch of things. First, I'm gonna start with the Here Kitty Kitty pressed highlighting powder. This one. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M501, my favorite highlighting brush. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ooh, I like that. Oh yes. Highlight the nose. I like this highlight, you guys. I'm gonna pop some of this onto my inner corners as well. I also have this highlighting palette that I'm super eager to try. I want to mix these two, actually maybe even these three. Oh, good lord. Okay, that's a lot. Let's just do more inner corner moment. For blush, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Passion Trio. Since this is more of a pink look, I'm going to be mixing the two lighter shades here on the end. Taking my Morphe E4 brush. That was a lot. This is kind of cute. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus to lock everything in place and melt all of the powders in to the skin. I need to add some bottom lash mascara. I'm just using my Clinique High Impact Mascara. So I was going to use one of the Colourpop Lippie pencils, but none of those colors are really vibing with this whole look. So I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lovesick liquid lipstick instead. This is a really pretty color. I've had this one for a while, so I think that'll kind of pull this look together with my shirt and all of those tones. So I'm going to apply this, and I don't feel like I really need a lip liner with it anyway. Okay, so I applied that liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to go in with the Bare Minerals Sugar Lip Gloss. I feel like I can't do a liquid lipstick without a gloss. It's just too drying, and my lips are way too dry for that right now. So, first impressions. Highlights, love all of them. Bronzer, I do like it. I do like it. It's a little bit warm. Will I use it? Yes. Is it replacing my Butter Bronzer? Absolutely not. The lip liners, I already know how I feel about those. I like them. The thing that I was most excited about was the concealer, which I forgot to use because I already did my concealer. I'm so sorry, you guys. But the other thing that I was most excited for was the Supernova shadows. As beautiful as this is, I did not love how it wore just throughout 2 hours that I was gone. So I will definitely still be using them. I'll just make sure to keep in mind they might crack a little bit. There's going to be a little bit of fallout. The shadow they sent me, though, that's probably like one of my favorite things. The thing I didn't even order. Single shadow in the color Flower Boy in my crease. Such a beautiful color. And this palette that I already had, the My Little Pony palette. If you guys can get your hands on this palette, it's so freaking cute. So cheap. And the colors in this are beautiful. Highly recommend. You guys, I just realized I forgot to use this freaking highlighting brush. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was all over the place. I'm just a mess lately. There's a lot of different changes happening and just like different things going on in my life. But I'm going to make sure that I'm posting every Friday for you guys regardless of what's going on. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Also, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All my other social medias will be linked down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful on me. Yeah. Hey, God's plan. God's plan. I can't do this.